Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In this session, we are calculating the area of our circle when we are given our radius and our pi is equal to 22/7. And if you're ready, let's get started. So we are calculating the area of our circle today when our radius is equal to 8 meters and our pi is equal to 22/7. And as always, we begin by writing out our formula. Then next, we're going to apply our rules for substitution. So for this question, our pi is 22/7, and that is being multiplied to our radius of 8 meters, which is being squared. So we're going to work out our 8 meters first, and then we'll dive into simplifying our fraction. So remember that when we have 8 being squared, that means that we are multiplying 8 times itself. And we know that with multiplying 8 squared, that means that 8 is being multiplied to 8, which is equal to 64. So our 8 squared is 64. And in working out our fractions, remember that even though we have a whole number here with 64, remember that you can feel free to add your 1 in your denominator if that makes you more comfortable with working out your fraction. But even if you don't, remember that 22 is being multiplied to 64, and all this is over our denominator of 7. So now let's begin our multiplying to simplify our numerator. And we are multiplying 22 times 64. And 4 times 2 will give us 8. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. We'll add in our 0 and begin multiplying by our 6. 6 times 2 will give us 12. We'll put our 2, carry the 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 will equal to 13. We are now going to sum these numbers together. So 8 plus 0 was 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. We'll put our 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, and then we'll bring down our 1. And remember that since we do not have any decimal points in this part of our question, we are simply going to input that entire number in our numerator, and then we are going to divide our 7 into 1,408 to get our final answer for our area. And I know that long division is usually a part of a question that most persons don't like, but remember that in dividing, you are simply taking your division step by step to make sure that you perform each and every operation as correctly as possible. So we're dividing our 7 into 1,408. 7 can't divide into 1, so we'll add our 0. We'll divide 7 into 14, which will go 2 times. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. We're still going to bring down that 0. Remember that 0 is a part of our number. We're dividing 7 into 0, which will be 0. 0 times 7 is equal to 0. And 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. We'll next continue on with our division by bringing down our 8. 7 will divide into 8 ones. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. And I am going to continue dividing. So I'm going to put in my decimal point to indicate that I am done dividing with the whole number part of my number. I'm going to add in a 0. Bring down that 0, changing my 1 into 10. 7 will divide into 10 once. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. And 10 minus 7 will give us a difference of 3. So for this question, I'm going to say that my area is equal to 201 and 10. So now I'm going to stop there, make sure I'm putting my meters squared. And I'm going to indicate that our answer is to 1 decimal point. I hope this video was very helpful to you. As always, I'm going to encourage you to make sure that you get some additional practice in. And look out for more videos on how to calculate the area of your circle when you're given both the radius and the diameter. And until next time, this is Joe's Math Tools, where we make math easy.